Welcome to the Novus ERP tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and confirm a purchase order (PO) in Novus ERP. A purchase order is a formal document sent to a vendor requesting the purchase of goods or services. It specifies the products, quantities, prices, and delivery details agreed between your company and the vendor. Creating purchase orders helps businesses control purchasing, monitor outstanding orders, and maintain accurate inventory and accounting records. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to Purchases. In the left navigation panel, click Purchase Orders. The Purchase Orders screen will open, displaying all existing purchase orders. Click New Purchase Order, or PO, to create a new purchase order. Begin by selecting the vendor from whom you are purchasing the goods. If you have not yet configured a vendor, please watch the vendor configuration tutorial before continuing, as a purchase order cannot be created without an existing vendor. Enter the vendor reference or purchase order number, for example P-UN. This reference helps identify and track the purchase order throughout the purchasing process. Select the date on which the purchase order is issued. For example, 26 July 2026. This date is used for purchasing records and reporting. Enter the expected delivery date for the goods. This allows your purchasing and warehouse teams to plan inventory receipts and monitor vendor delivery performance. If the purchase order is related to another business document, such as a sales order or purchase request, enter the source document reference, for example S-UN. This improves traceability between related business transactions. Select the priority of the purchase order. Choose Normal for routine purchases or Urgent for high-priority purchases that require immediate attention. Priority helps purchasing teams identify which orders should be processed first. The order lines define the products or services being purchased. Select the product you want to purchase. The product should already be configured in the product master. The description is filled automatically from the product record, but it can be modified if additional information is required. Enter the quantity you want to purchase. This determines how many units will be received into inventory. Verify or enter the purchase price agreed with the vendor. This price is used to calculate the total purchase amount. If the vendor has offered a discount, enter the discount percentage or amount. The discount will automatically reduce the purchase value. Select the applicable purchase tax. If you have not yet configured taxes, please refer to the tax configuration tutorial before continuing. The selected tax will be used when generating the vendor invoice. If your organization uses analytic accounting, select the appropriate analytic account. Analytic accounts help track expenses by department, project, branch, or cost center, providing more detailed financial reporting. If you are unfamiliar with analytic accounting, please watch the analytic account configuration tutorial. If your organization uses budgeting, select the appropriate budget segment. Budget segments allow purchases to be tracked against departmental or project budgets, helping prevent overspending. For more information, please refer to the budget configuration tutorial. After entering all order lines, review the information carefully. Click Save. The purchase order will now be saved in draft status. To approve the purchase order, reopen the draft purchase order. Click Confirm. Once confirmed, Novus ERP officially issues the purchase order to the vendor. The purchase order status changes from draft to confirmed. The purchasing process begins. The order becomes available for goods receipt. The vendor can now supply the requested products. The purchase order can later be converted into a goods receipt note, GRN, and a vendor invoice. Click Save to complete the process. A purchase order helps your business maintain proper purchasing approval, track outstanding vendor orders, prevent unauthorized purchases, improve inventory planning, record purchases accurately, generate goods, receipt notes, and vendor invoices. Maintain a complete audit trail for every purchase transaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to create and confirm a purchase order in Novus ERP. Proper purchase order management improves purchasing control inventory planning, vendor management, and financial accuracy throughout the ERP system.